Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. Recently, Honda Thailand company released a new teaser of the new Forza, which announced the scooter will have a new look. On its video, we can see if this new Forza also will have a new engine, and the power will up as well. It should be the all-new model. So let's talk about it. The all-new Forza now will have a new 350cc engine, while the previous version, the scooter equipped with 300cc engine. Not only that, even the new engine built with 4 valves like the new engine of Honda SH150i that already sold in Europe market. This new engine complete with ESP Plus logo on it. Like the news spread before, from the patent image reveal, the new engine of Honda Forza 350cc also pinned with variable valve mechanism technology or Vtec like the common Honda's car released lately. But how is the look of the new Forza? From the teaser video we can see the all-new Forza's design remain unchanged. The headlight and rear light still looks the same. The adjustable windshield featured also the same as the previous model. But from the video we can see there is a silhouette of smartphone. We think the all-new Forza will have the new technology that make this bike can connect to smartphone like NMAX with its Y-Connect apps. But unfortunately, we can't find any information about the release date of this all-new Honda Forza 350. But usually the promo video will come no longer after the teaser video release. Maybe next week, brothers. Here is the current feature of Honda Forza 300. We hope the current features still available for the all-new Forza 350. So that's all brothers about the all-new Honda Forza 350. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoy this video.